What up, YouTube? Bo Farm back in no video on this beautiful day, y'all. It's a little cold, it's winter time, but I'm a gardener, and I'm a gardener that's gonna garden. You hear me? Come on. First thing we're gonna do, y'all, we gotta give this bed a little life. I started this bed last year, and things didn't grow that well. So I'm gonna pull back some of this wood mulch and add some amendments to it. Now, I'm starting out with kitchen scraps. Some kumquats that was in the refrigerator for too long. You know how stuff gets stuck behind something and you don't see it? Yeah. And I'm putting eggshells in here. Now somebody gonna say, hey bro, if you go ahead and crush your eggshells up, they more available to your plants. They're not, it takes a long time for them to break down. But if I'm building soil over the long haul, I don't care if it takes 2 to 3 years for these eggshells to break down. That's added nutrients. When the soil ain't got nothing else, it can kick back on some of this stuff here. I'm building for the future, not next week.
Just tell me you wanted more. Do it night and day, make your body sweat. And now I'm floating in your ocean eyes, hypnotized, falling right head over heels, still lost in your ocean eyes. No surprise, it's you. Yeah. Swimming up a Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. Swimming up a Malibu, it's overdue, 'cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of them is you. My love, my love, my love. Oh, oh. 'Cause your love is all I need.
Alright, and the way I add these kitchen scraps, I just dig a hole. Put the eggshells, y'all say I gotta put in the oven, put in the dehydrator and break them down forever. No, that ain't how we garden. This is lazy gardening 101. Put the scraps in the hole. Then cover it up. Lazy gardening 101, y'all. If it takes 3 years to break down, 3 years from now I ain't gotta worry about soil nutrients for that spot. Over here, just dig another hole. Put the scraps in there. And I'm building the soil over time, which means every fall and winter, I'm adding more organic matter to this soil. And y'all know how I feel about my alfalfa pellet. More organic matter. I wish I had a couple scoops of chicken poop. Add a little compost. That's it. A little granular fertilizer. Now I'm gonna pour these wood chips back over, and we done. If you notice, I got a real thick layer of wood chips down. Probably 5 inches of wood chips. And it's just gonna break down to make some good rich soil. I'm gonna come back and water that in. It's time to move on, y'all. That project is complete. All right, y'all. Showed you where I put the amendments under these wood chips. But building soil is a labor of love. If you love the garden and you love healthy fruits and vegetables, then you got to love healthy soil. These wood chips are gonna break down to some of the greatest soil known to man. And I got it thick. All this will be black soil in about a year. You can't beat that. Keep working that soil, keep being patient, and your garden gonna be great. Now my garden ain't great yet, but every year I build this soil up. Every year I'm adding compost, I'm adding wood chips, I'm adding table scraps. Look at this soil here, y'all. I call this my organic bed because I put all just natural stuff in here. Kitchen scraps, compost that I made, and wood chips. Now, if you think you can't grow in that, something is wrong with you. But it's taken me about 3 years to get to this point, y'all. 3 years. Now, everywhere I move wood chips is black gold. What is that? Yeah, that's mint. Anyway, everywhere I move wood chips is black gold now. Invest in you some wood chips. Keep working your garden and don't give up. If your soil is ashy, moisturize that soil with some wood chips or something to keep it going. I just said what I said. All right, this is my mini greenhouse set up. I'm gonna pull a couple of these plants out, you know, just to water them and check on them. I tried to overwater my passion fruit. It's still green right here, so we okay with that. Couple figs back there, magnolia fig looking good, jujube looking good, and this fig is looking really good. You see the tips on there. See, ain't no dieback on this one, so that's a good sign. Probably should have put all my figs in here. Couple fig cuttings I got going on back there. Yeah, we just hoping everything work out with them. And then I got my little Amending tree back there. It ain't looking good, but it's holding on. Another fig tree over there looking really good. So I'm not gonna pull anything out. It's looking good. Even this, it's not dead. And I don't know if this the passion fruit vine. Can't remember if this was the maypop or the one that just flower. I don't know. And this fig here, it just fell apart. It looked like something ate the top off that one. But I don't know what happened there. Okay, we're gonna move on. And we're gonna answer a question. Is it too cold for herbs? It's got down to 24, 25 degrees. This is my time growing back. I told y'all a little while ago it wasn't dead. It looks horrible over there. But over here, she doing good. My mullein, no damage. My mint do what mint do. Even my chocolate mint coming back. Cat mint. I don't know, this mint might be RIP here. That's a lie. They're coming back right there. You see the green. I think that's spearmint. Greek oregano. This is Mo Mullen. So in zone 8B, can you grow herbs outside? That would be a yes. Really a yes. Yeah. These pears are soft too. They just grew all of a sudden in the beginning of spring. They small, but they soft. You know me, I don't waste no food. I'm gonna cut open and see what she look like. Now that one was brown on the inside. No, it hasn't been cut for a little while. It's just brown. I'm not gonna eat that one. But that one, I don't know, y'all. Look like a pear. Let's eat it. Guess what, y'all? Fantastic avocado to go with my poncho avocado. Supposed to be cold-hearted at 15 degrees. New tree alert. I wish I could have got it a little thicker, but I got one that survived over last winter. It don't look good, but I got it locally and I got it at a real good price, so we're gonna pray for it that she make it through. But it said on the tag, cold-hearted, cold-hearted. Then try my hand again, trying to grow a pawpaw tree. I got two very small pawpaw trees over there. Got this at a really good price. I think it was 30 bucks. $30 for a pawpaw. You can't go wrong. I don't have to baby it. It's gonna go in the ground. I'm picking out the spot for spring. But look, y'all, I'm so happy. New fruit tree. New fruit trees. I'm so happy. Okay, now I gotta put it in the greenhouse. All right, let's talk about why I got this fantastic avocado. As you know, when I buy trees, I buy them in pairs, even if they don't need a pollinator. And the best reason to understand, oh yeah, that's my other avocado, my poncho avocado. But look at it like this. Life is so much easier when you got somebody helping you through life, somebody encouraging you. Trees need trees. Trees are social. I don't know how else to put that. Your tree will produce more fruit if it's two of them. If you have an apple tree will produce more if it's two of them. It's back and forth pollination. It's wonderful. Trust me, if you got one tree and it's not producing that well, get another tree, usually of a different variety, and I guarantee it'll produce better. I guarantee it. Matter of fact, every tree I got in my food forest, I got two of them. Matter of fact, some of them I got three of them. I got a couple apples, a couple plums, a couple peaches. They get that back and forth pollination, and I just think that it's cool to have somebody from their own tree tribe. Yes, I said tree tribe. And my crab apple here is part of every tree tribe when it comes to apples. That's just how I feel about it. And I still got fruit. This is my Miwa kumquat. And it's producing more fruit. All my lemon trees are producing lemons. And this for the person that put in the comments how your citrus doing in the greenhouse. They're putting on more flowers. This is my weird Meyer lemon. It literally got buds everywhere and a bunch of ants. I don't know what it is about Meyer lemons and ants. But anyway, everything is doing good, y'all. I am really waiting on some of this fruit to ripen. A couple of my pineapple oranges, I think that's big as they gonna get. And my pink variegated lemons down there, I think they done too. But you never know, y'all. Everything is blooming. Yeah. Everything is blooming. Even in the greenhouse after 20-degree weather. You can do it too. You can do it. It ain't just you got broke farmer. Go for it. Now this video was just a walk and talk. Every now and then I feel like I gotta slow it down and just talk to y'all sometimes so y'all can see what I'm thinking, what I'm doing. It ain't always a spectacular, life-changing video, something that's gonna save you hundreds of dollars, a thing that's gonna make your garden great. Sometimes it's just interaction between me and the internet cousin. I appreciate y'all watching, man. I hope y'all hit the like button. And if you didn't like this video, watch another video. I got like 650 videos. Go check them out.